Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wise account in India so you can start sending and receiving money easily and securely. But before we get started, we have a little treat for you today. If you use the link from the description below to create your Wise account, you will be charged no fees on the first $1,000 that you transfer using Wise. That's right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. First, you want to open the Wise app on your device or on the website. Once it's open, you'll see the home screen and you want to choose sign up. From here, just enter your email address. This will be linked to your new Wise account. Once you have entered your email address, it'll look like this. From here, you want to choose personal account. Then for country, just choose India. Just type here, right there, choose India, click continue, scroll down. You want to continue again. Then you want to enter your local phone number, your Indian phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, it'll ask you to verify it. In a few seconds, you'll get an SMS with a verification code. Just enter the code in the website to confirm your phone number. And once it's verified, Wise will guide you through the next few steps, including creating a strong password for your account. And after setting your password, you can log in using the email and password combination you just created. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Wise personal account in India. You can now start exploring Wise, whether it's sending money abroad, holding multiple currencies, or managing your finances more efficiently. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.